Oy. Why? Why? You will eat na this one, no? You like? Pancake? You know. What do you like? You choose. You choose. You choose. What do you like? You choose. Come on. What do you like? You like pancake? Oh, sus! So let's go inside. Oh, sus! Let's push it. Ayun o. Yun. Gusto magka-close ba ito? Kami ko ano mga siya.
Just gonna order that.
Bigyan ng bag. Ano?
It's from nice one. Okay. Kids banana is drink chances. Okay. Kuya, what do you like to choose? Orange or grapefruit? Grapefruit. Grapefruit. Water is self-service. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Ganda ko ng tubig. Yan. Medyo may English translation naman pala. Yan. Yan, English. Hi, Lucine. Naku naman yan. Oo. Tenth anniversary. There's a bird. There's a bird. Ayan o. Ayan o. Oh. Bis na aso. Ayan, bird. Bird yung nagbabasura rito. Come on, come on, come on. Give me your hand. Let's go. Let's go sa bird. Let's go sa bird. Let's go sa bird. Let's go sa bird. Let's go, let's go. Uy! Yeah. Yung bird eh. Wow. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Bird. Let's go. Let's go, 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 let's go. Ayun na. Hi, bird. Yan. Kaya may mga net yung mga basura nila dito kasi nga imbis na aso nagkakalat dito, ito yung mga nagkakalat. Yan mga yan. Yan yung mga nagbabasura dito. Sa lari. Kaya may mga net yan, yung mga ganyan, mga basura nila. May food Lucine.
You like it?
This is a bread pancake.
Bite it, bite.
Messi. Wow, you like it? You like it?
Cream. A nice cream. Dati dito, kung ano yung nasa picture, dapat yun din yung itsura ng pag. Tingnan mo. Ayun yun na.
Tingnan natin no, sa picture. Ito yung in-order namin. Ito yung sa picture. Oh, see?
Oh my God.
Thank you.
I want to taste. Oh, wait.
Okay, tignan ulit natin sa picture. Ito yung order ko. Ito yung sa picture. Order complete. Uy, yun yung baby ko naman. Hmm.
$2,500
2,000 ba? Okay.
Do you want the receipt?
What? Receipt? Oh, can you please?
Okay.
Is that a receipt? Okay, very good. Thank you. Yes, come on, come on, come on. Come on, here. You can do it, you can do it. Here, you can do it, you can do it. Here. Oh, come on, get ready. Karulong na. Tuwas, turn mo lang yung receipt. Excuse me. Come on. Where's the scene? Ayun! Up. Okay na. Yan, mami, may poop ng ano rito. Ano, wet wipes mo yan, no? Poop yun, mag-wipe, wet wipes yun.
That's mine!
Hello. Up, careful.
Go further, Dad! How much for?
No, na. Ay. Sige. Come here. Jesus. This is our shadow.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh, that's our shadow. Oh. See? Apple Store. Maraming tao. Ano ito? May sale ba rito? Meron pa sa taas. Marami.
sis kami.
Saan is kanya? The barcode. Look for the barcode. Here. Here, oh. Yan. On. Galing ah.
Ay, pinabalik daw si Lucas. Asan na yung papel?
And the receipt.
Sa bag ko yung ano, eco bag natin.
Book of sa Nagoya. Mga second hand items to. Yan. Parang ukay-ukay ba? Yan. Sumimasen. Up. Yan, yung mga shoes. Heels. Coats. Bags. Yan, marami rito mga shoes. Yan. Bags. Auto shoes. Mga panlalaki. Yan, dami. Meron pa ron.
To go, take away. And white mocha, ice grande.
What do you mean? Ano? Plastic?
Dad,
That is 1,120. Is it a month? How much? It's 119.